Hello students, now let's just talk about GATE 2024 psychology paper, and the question that we are going to discuss over here is question number 28. Now this question says, which among the following correlation coefficient values represents the strongest relationship between the two variables? So यहाँ पे आपको दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच के जो कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट का जो रिलेशन है, जो strongest relation है, that you have to explain over here. Now if we look at the correlation coefficient, then values जो है वो range करता है between -1 to +1. Here -1 represents negative correlation, whereas +1 or +1 indicates positive correlation. Now apart from this, अगर कोई वैल्यू 0 से क्लोज हो, क्लोजर टू 0, तो इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, और अगर वो 0 से फारदेस्ट हो या फार हो तो इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे वीकेस्ट. So in the among these options that we have been provided with, -0.8 seems the closest, and that is why this becomes your answer over here. Rest options जितने भी हैं इसमें से सबसे weak है अगर हम बात करें तो -0.5 और 0.59, 0.68 भी comparatively stronger हैं, but among these options 0 से सबसे close का जो option है वो है -0.86, and hence this becomes your answer.